Welcome to our grand capstone lesson of everyday endings. Today we put everything together. We have mastered all 4 endings. Today we'll see them in action in real daily conversations. Let's review our tone map. Each ending represents a specific relationship between speaker and listener. 네요 is for noticing. 저 is for confirming. 잖아요 is for reminding. And 군요 is for realizing. To see the difference, let's look at the same core sentence, 맛있어요, under all 4 tones. If you take a bite and react on the spot, you say, 맛있네요. If you want to confirm a shared truth with your friend, you say, 맛있죠. If your friend forgot you recommended a restaurant, you remind them, 맛있잖아요. If you hear about a restaurant's good food, you realize and say, 맛있군요. Let's look at conversation 1, set at a cozy café. It features noticing and confirming. A says, 여기 분위기 좋네요. B replies, 좋죠. 제가 자주 오는 카페예요. A adds, 커피도 맛있네요. B agrees, 그렇죠. 그래서 자주 와요. Notice how 네요 and 저 work together to establish shared enjoyment of the cafe. Let's move to conversation 2, a forgotten plan. It features reminding and realizing. A asks what B is doing tomorrow. B reminds them they had movie plans. B says, 내일 같이 영화 보기로 했잖아요. A clicks and realizes, 아, 맞다. 내일이 토요일이군요. B teases, 네, 맞아요. 잊어버렸죠? A apologizes politely using the reminder ending. 미안해요. 요즘 좀 바빴잖아요. Conversation 3 is a compliment volley, mixing S6 honorifics with realization and reminding. A says, 한국어를 정말 잘하시네요. B deflects, 아니에요. 아직 멀었어요. A realize, 왜 코리안 보시는군요? B replies with a smile, 네, 좋은 채널이잖아요. Now, let's assemble everything in one breath, conveying 시리즈 1일의 S1일 connectors with our endings. First, connecting scene setting with notice. 비가 오는데 우산이 없네요. Second, connecting conditional with reminding. 시간이 있으면 같이 가요. 재미있잖아요. Finally, the closer, connecting study with obvious reminder. 한국어를 매일 공부하면 늘겠죠. 그럼요, 이 채널을 보면 되잖아요. Let's review the main traps of the series. First, 네 drop only happens before 네요. Yes, 만드네요 is correct, but 만들죠 and 만들잖아요 keep the final 네. Second, verbs need 는 before 군요, as in 가는군요. Never 가군요. Third, new information never takes 저 or 잖아요. Use standard 요 instead. Finally, 네요 is for first-hand senses, while 군요 is for logic and understanding. Let's review the final vocabulary words in our capstone toolkit. We have 분위기, 자주, 잊어버리다, 요즘, 늘다, and 그럼요. Practice these words daily. Time for our final capstone practice. Show me what you've learned. First, walk into a crowded place and react. What is the live reaction? The answer is 사람이 정말 많네요. This uses 네요 for immediate first-hand observation. Second, tag confirm today's weather with a friend. How do you ask? You ask, 오늘 날씨 좋죠? It draws them into your shared circle. Third, remind a friend of a promise they made to you. How do you say it? The reminder is 약속했잖아요. It nudges their memory of the shared agreement. Fourth, react to learning your friend lived in Busan. How do you express realization? The realization is 부산에서 사셨군요. This uses the past honorific with realization. Finally, assemble. If it rains tomorrow, we can't go, you know. Think carefully. The full assembly is 내일 비가 오면 못 가잖아요. Perfect job. Congratulations, you have completed Series 12 of 왜 Korean. Every ending is a window into your feelings. 왜 Korean was never just about being correct, it was always about sounding like yourself. Keep practicing.